Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to export from Prezi, and I'll also clear up the important difference between paid and free plans so you don't waste time looking for an option that isn't available. If you're on a paid plan, you can export your presentation as a PDF. But if you're using the free basic plan, you won't be able to download file formats directly. Instead, you can export a secure web link that you can share offline or externally. This is a super useful workaround if you just need to send your presentation to a client, teammate, or audience without giving them full editing access. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Prezi presentation dashboard and find the project you want to export. On the project thumbnail, look for the share icon, which is usually shown as an arrow. Click that share icon to open the sharing options. This is where Prezi gives you the export and sharing tools for that specific presentation. Now, if you're on a paid plan and you want a PDF export, you can use the export option available to your account. That's the direct file download method. However, if you're on the free basic plan, you won't see the same file export options. In that case, the best method is to create a secure sharing link instead. This keeps your presentation accessible while still letting you share it easily. To create that link, click Create New Link. Prezi will open a setup window or prompt where you can name the link. In the name field, type something useful for tracking, such as your client's name, your company name, or the audience you're sending it to. This is really helpful later if you ever need to manage multiple share links or remember which version was sent to which person. After naming the link, click Create Link. Prezi will generate a unique URL for your presentation. Once the link is created, copy the URL so you can send it by email, message, or any other platform you prefer. Anyone with the link can open the presentation without needing to download a file, which makes it a convenient option for sharing. If you're using a paid plan, double check that the export format you want is available before downloading. And if you're on the free plan, remember that the secure web link is the main option for external sharing. That's the key thing to keep in mind. Paid plans give you file export options like PDF, while the free basic plan focuses on link sharing instead. So to recap, open your Prezi dashboard, click the share icon on your presentation thumbnail, choose Create New Link, name it for tracking, and then click Create Link and copy the URL. That's the easiest way to export or share your Prezi presentation depending on your plan. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.